Hi, my name is Michels. I'm co-founder and CEO of Cenos. Let's take a look at our office. Please come in. So the first room here is our support engineers for antenna design product. Hi guys.
Hi.
So Apostle is our product owner for antenna design. He's from Greece. Bricia, hi.
Hi.
So Bricia is from Mexico, working in our Mexico office. Trainer Akil is local.
Hi.
So, good luck. We have some scientists on the walls to celebrate our close connection to academic world. So Nikola Tesla is my favorite. So this is our sales and marketing team. Martin is from Estonia, from Tallinn. He's head of marketing here. Diego, Mexican but live in Estonia. So this is our sales team. So local Latvian. And the head of sales team, Emil's hand. How is it going today?
It's going well.
Did you close anybody already?
We are about to.
Work for that. Let's go further and then take a look. So this is the room with our braids. Reynolds responsible for bashing and color processing development algorithms. Vadims is VP of technology. He's hiding behind the trees. This room is pretty crowded. It's support room for induction heating product. Let's take a look. So the guys are working, having meeting. I want to introduce a couple of people here. Anna is from our Mexico office as well. Elvis is our senior simulation engineer for induction heating. So the most experienced guy for that product. Hi Raymond. So it's my co-founder and UI team lead Raymond. Hi. So I hope you will finish development today, no? We're going to have party today. So it's 5th anniversary of the company. So that's why our meeting room transformed into the seminar room. Hi Andra.
Hi.
Andre is our office and HR manager. Thank you for preparing that all. Will it be the party today?
Yeah, it's gonna be a party. You're welcome.
Cool. So but first we'll have workshop. We have two offices. One office is in Riga and another in Querétaro in Mexico. So this is my office. So I'm sitting here and Andra, our HR manager, is just next to me. She's very busy now organizing and preparing. Hi guys.
Hi.
Coffee is the most important part of our office as usual. So here we have the product team. Hi guys. So Daniel, I'm a software developer from Madrid, Spain. Davis and Malvina, our local, also our product engineers. I'm super happy to have female engineer in our team. Not only one, by the way, but today great office. In this room we have Rosalind Franklin supervising this team. If you don't know what she did, just Google. We have some empty rooms in our office and some of our employees use that. So Reynolds, our software developer, as a hobby, he put together electric bikes. So this is his newest project. So that was our office tour. Thank you for being part of the tour. Goodbye, I'm going to work.